You stink.
Just to cover up all your farts.
All your farts? You guys were stinking last night.
When I fell asleep.
Well, you were farting in your sleep.
Where we going?
Peace out, Airlie.
Had enough of you.
Yeah.
Rainy beach.
It's been pretty rainy.
Yeah.
We got good days though, so it's okay. We are week 6. Can you add a 1, please? Add a 1. And we're going to... We don't know.
Let's go check out some spots.
Yeah. Gonna go have a look at
Dingo Beach.
Cape Gloucester.
Bowen.
Yeah. We got some insider knowledge. Do you want to check it out?
Got some local knowledge. It's like mad.
Won't stop dreaming of what we could be.
Which way is Proserpine?
Okay, Queensland.
I'm very confused. This way or this way? Anyway.
I'll keep swimming right across the sea. Won't stop dreaming of what we could be.
Not bad.
Not bad for $25.
I know. We
That's
went.
how this is the cheapest caravan park.
Yeah. And we need to dry out the awning because she is soaked.
I've got some feelings that I've kept inside.
The mini mango.
Tell me your reasons for leaving me behind. I've got something I don't need to hide. Struck by lightning, you and me collide. I'll keep swimming right across the sea. Won't stop dreaming of what we could be. I used to be ashamed, alone and just afraid, in misery. But I'll leave it all behind. I've got a brand new mind when you're with me. I've got something I don't need to hide. Struck by lightning, you and me.
This is pretty cool, doll.
It's a bit luxurious for us,
We
isn't
have a
it?
kitchen. We've never used them. Yeah. We are. What you cooking? Good looking. Ooh, that's water.
I don't know, you decide on this one. Pork something? Asian pork?
We have some wraps. So we've done our morning mechanical checks, and this is probably the earliest we've ever left a caravan park.
How close to it?
late risers. Not really.
It's hot. I want to get out of here.
Yeah, it's very hot.
It's like 8:30 in the morning, hey, and it's nearly sweating.
What a problem to have. We are heading to
Charters Towers.
Charters Towers.
Check out some big cows with some big horns.
One way to put it.
Yeah.
We're going inland. No more beaches. Well, for a week, and then we'll be back at the beach.
There's probably a river beach down there somewhere.
Yeah, probably. Anyway.
Cool.
Peace. Yep, I got on video too. Brayd, you bloody bird feeder.
No way.
Oh, fucking hell. Today we're going to do the most exciting thing of my entire life. This whole trip. So far I reckon this is going to be my highlight of the trip. We're going to see the Texas Longhorn cows. And they have Highland cows and they have buffalo and stuff. I'm so excited.
What do you reckon?
They're so cool. We're getting one. Can you walk like a normal human? What's on the menu tonight, chef?
Gonna put a bit of pork on the fork, mate.
Bit of pork on our forks. Little pork roast on the Weber.
On the Weber.
The second time this trip.
The other time we used it was because the kebab skills were too big to fit in the fry pan.
Also, we are at, where are we at? Crystal Creek. We're at Big Crystal Creek Campground. The private one, not the national park, because beautiful.
I've got some feelings that I've kept inside. Tell me your reasons for leaving me behind. I've got something struck by lightning, you and me collide. I'll keep swimming right across the sea. Don't stop dreaming of what we could be. I used to be ashamed, alone and just afraid.
Getting prepped for your hike, doll.
Going walking.
We are at Wallaman Falls, is that what it's called?
Walla.
Wallaman,
Not Walla.
not Wallavadar. Brayd kept putting Wallavadar in the map and wondering why it kept taking us to Tamworth. It is, what is it?
The highest waterfall. I don't think Queensland or in Australia.
Yeah, we'll find out. We'll let you know.
One or the other. It's
Yeah.
big.
One or the other, and it's a 4K hike to the bottom. So we're gonna give it a crack. Yeah. Professional hikers over here. I'm tired already. And this,
Big bloody waterfall.
it looks like smoke. Like once it starts going down. It's crazy. How you going, doll?
Mint.
You good?
There you go.
Good, good. Not,
We could just jump down there.
I reckon we should just slide down.
Yeah.
We'd roll down eventually.
You come to a stop and you hit the water.
Yeah. We're slightly intimidated because there's people doing this in hiking boots and camel packs and the works, and there's us in Birkenstocks and footy shorts.
How smart I put joggers on.
True. I got Birks on, so, and overalls. Feeling fit? We made it.
That wasn't that bad.
Nah.
The walk up's going to be a different story though.
Killer. Check in. Where? Probably a third of the way, do you reckon?
Maybe a quarter. George already handed me the bag. I'm like, I packed me all. I've got 2 bags now.
I can't do this. I can barely hold my arm up to hold the camera.
You've only been walking too. You haven't been doing push-ups with your arm.
Shut up.
You right, Sugarfoot?
I feel like I'm biggest loser. Like I'm gonna spew and then Shannon's gonna yell at me.
The commander. Meanwhile.
The pack horse.
Yeah.
Made it. I almost died. Brayd bloody mountain goated up there. Like, I don't even know, like a mountain goat. That's what he did it like. How you feeling now, Mr.?
I'm feeling some sweat back up there.
Sometimes the fire just needs a little help, doesn't it, Dale?
Couldn't blow that hard.
It'll work. Tonight we're at Broadwater Campground in
I don't know what the national park is.
Abercrombie.
Yeah.
I'll write it just here. Called something. It's a national park. But 6 spot. We've got 2 other campers.